Okay, so she asked what the color of our outfits are. So we have different outfits. So we have things like this, which are called OCPs, which are camouflage. And then we go to those like the radar competition green, which are all yellow. And then we also have the shoes they're wearing, which that's our formal uniform. So I'm gonna give you a unit patch, and that's what we gave all the other kids that asked questions. Start with only to grade.
Alrighty, thank you so much for having us. I hope you guys learned a little bit about JROTC. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for having us.
And before we finish up our final part of our assembly, I just would like to take a moment to thank Dr. Hutz and our JROTC members for being with us here today. So thank you very much.
So, as a little gift for you guys allowing us to come here, we wanted to present the principal with a unit patch. A few of you guys also got them. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
Detail, cut. Right, face. Go, cut.
So to finish up, we have something pretty special for all of you today. First, I just want to share that every single adult in this room, and I'm talking to the kids of course, all the adults in the room appreciate each and every single one of you for everything that you do each day, the strength and resilience that you show as military children. We are proud to be your teachers and principals at Endeavor. But not only are we proud, our community, family, and friends are proud. So, as a surprise to you, we have a special video that we'd like to share with you so that other people can also show the love and gratefulness that they have as we celebrate each and every one of you today. So we can cue that video and enjoy.
Thank you for being resilient. And special shout out to my son, my military child, Aiden Jimenez.
Thank you for being strong.
We are so proud of you.
Keep up the great work.
We love our military children.
Your resilience and your strength is great.
Love you, Jackson.
When I grow up, I want to be as strong and resilient as you military kids. You guys rock.
Military children are strong, resilient, and we greatly appreciate everything they do. Thank you.
Hi, Endeavor students.
I'm Ryan Frost,
I'm Melanie Frost.
and we love our military children.
This message goes out to all those amazing military kids. We are so proud of you. Your strength and adaptability inspire me every day. Thank you for being our heroes. From Claire and Elise's mom.
Military kids often deal with PCLC, deployments, TDYs. Their superpower, they are strong, resilient, and connected through change. Military kids bloom where they are planted.
To all you military kids, keep being resilient and keep being you. You are strong.
We love our military children. Love you, Faz.
Happy month of the military child. You rock!
Endeavor Elementary, we are so proud of you as we celebrate the month of the military child. Continue to be resilient and shining that light.
Happy month of the military child. Thank you for your service, and you rock. Purple up.
Happy Purple Up Day. We love you.
Thanks for everything you do.
You're awesome.
Thank you for being you and celebrating you on the month of military child.
This is a big shout out to all the military children across the United States. We are so proud of you. God bless you all.
Have a wonderful day.
We're so proud of you.
Military kids are the most resilient children I know. You guys are strong, brave, and I'm so proud of you.
Military kids are good. Military kids are strong.
Love our military children.
We love our military kids and the dedication to our country is our purpose. Love you.
We just want to take our time to thank our military kids.
Especially Lily, Edie, and Mindy.
Thank you. We love you.
We love our military children. God bless each and every one of you.
We're so proud of Caleb, Carson,
To say purple up. When I get to the number 3, 1, 2,